one of the misconception everyone has is uh, PMP is only for the IT graduates, or PMP is for the only for the IT sector. No, PMP is a generalized certification which provides you the most generalized, or you can say generic tools and techniques that you can use in any industry, healthcare, manufacturing, uh, IT, and any industry you think about, you can implement the PMP structure anywhere. The second misconception about PMP is, let me give me a second. The second misconception about the PMP, and now that PMI has fixed it, is that they were focused on only the process. No, from 2021 onwards, PMI, and specifically if I talk about PMP, is focused on three elements. Number one is the technical project management. When we say technical project management, it means the tools and techniques that are used, which is coming from since day one from the PMI. The other two new things that now PMI is focused on is the leadership and the business or strategic objectives. The leadership relies with the team, how you manage people, how you manage your teams effectively, how you manage your stakeholders effectively, and what are the tools and techniques you can use to manage those stakeholders and make sure that the project is done with 100% customer satisfaction. Uh, you can say that project management has now, you can say it's a people management. We as a project manager, we all do like this in every day. We are managing people so they can deliver the project on time and with the required quality. The third thing that the PMI is focused on is the business strategic objectives. Now, project managers are taught in the PMP that they should also take care of they should also consider the business objectives of the organization. Like whenever you are doing a project, you need to have a business case. You need to know like how is it going to benefit the strategic objectives of the organization. So these are the two most misconceptions that